Microfinance company with a difference, Creditaccess Grameen Limited. A significant player in the segment, strong market edge. Manages a large portfolio of unsecured loans for unorganized sector of rural India. Inspiration from Bangladesh Grameen Bank of Dr. Muhammad Yunus and his concept of joint liability group. Standard collection model and an exemplary success story. The concept of contiguous districts used by the bank for growth and expansion. Strong reputation built around proven track record of over a quarter of a century. At the core of its success, a strong and growing network of widespread branches. A sizable amount of assets under management of over rupees 25,000 crores. A large family of customers, over 5 million, majority from villages. Business portfolio dominated by 3 states of Karnataka, Tamil Nadu and Maharashtra. Spreading its wings, constantly growing across the national geography. Growth strategy of the bank focused on business fundamentals and productivity. 8 quarters in a row, year-on-year growth of over 40% in the average net interest income. Using a judicious mix of banking and non-banking funds, the company has been successful in having a strong net income margin during the last 3 years, peaking in FY24. Exceptional efficiency in operating expenses over total income, more particularly in FY24, with a growing gross loan portfolio, operating expenses as a percentage have been consistently falling, adding to the competitive advantage. Due to the company's due diligence, the quality of asset base has substantially improved, necessitating lesser provisions and write-offs, leading to lower credit cost. The performance of FY24 stands out in respect of key performance indicators like net interest income, profit after tax, growth in book value and return on equity, making it an year of exceptional delivery. The net worth of Creditaccess Grameen consistently growing with the support of operating cash flow rising year after year with a 5-year CAGR of over 30%. Internal accruals on the rise every year. The added advantage is guidance from its promoter, the Netherlands-based Creditaccess India, who are global specialists in medium and small enterprise finance. The MNC promoter holds 2/3 of the equity of the company after divesting about 7% in the first quarter of FY24 in favor of mutual funds and FPIs. Financial prudence and growing net worth helping adequacy of capital. Borrowings from bank, financial institutions, FIIs and NBFCs kept within limits, helping direct access have gearing well within the limit of 4. Interesting movement in profit, book value and market price. While book value has recorded a 22% CAGR, price has moved at the rate of 26%, while profits have just zoomed past both of them with a 5-year CAGR of 35%. And that has rendered the price earning multiple quite attractive at a level between 16 and 17, leaving an appreciation potential of about 35% from the current level. Ever since June 2020, the price moving in an ascending channel, and that is quite positive for the share. And in terms of long-term averages of 200 and 100 EMA, the price has decisively crossed recently with the two big candles. And in terms of Fibonacci retracement level, 52-week high of around 1800 rupees and 52-week low of 1170. The current market price of 1480 appears in close proximity to 50% Fibonacci level, which is quite decisive for movements on either side. Looking into the chart pattern, triangular pattern of movement with three triangles formed for head and shoulder, and the probability of the next triangle being a head might take the share price higher. Brighter prospects can be expected from the fundamentals of the company, its market dominance, and RBI's facilitating non-microfinance beyond 75% exposure to microfinance. Risk in terms of recovery and yield is always subject to the socio-political environment, which remains fragile, and in terms of regulations and legislations helping and restricting growth are quite a surprise, always being a part of external risk. Hope you will find this presentation on Creditaccess to your liking. I am Vittal Prabhu with the weekly video on Stock Learning Simplified. You may access similar videos at our info card on Stock Learning Simplified. We look forward to your likes, shares and comments. If you are new to the channel, may please subscribe and press the bell icon for timely intimation on our forthcoming videos. For your valuable time and kind support, highly obliged. This video is for purposes of information, education and awareness only. This is not meant to be a solicitation or recommendation to buy, sell or hold securities. Wherever applicable, please seek the advice of a competent professional before taking action of any kind.